It takes less than 1 hour to set this up, and the people are making over $1,000 a day with this easy AI side hustle that for some reason nobody is talking about. So I've actually tried this thing myself, and I've used these different AI tools to create the exact replica and a clone of myself that we are now using across different social media platforms that are making money every single day. And the strategy is pretty simple. So here's a quick breakdown. So all of these different Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts accounts that are posting different tips where basically there's a presenter or a person that talks directly into the camera, and then they just give some tips and there's caption around and there's some nice video editing, and then they promote something in their bio. They always do. Well, now you actually don't need to be in front of the camera. In fact, you don't even have to show your face in order to create these videos and create these avatars, because AI can literally do everything for you. The very first step is to actually generate an avatar, and you can go to HeyGen to actually generate an AI avatar, and you can either pick from some of the avatar that are already available here. So for example, you can select one of these. You basically just click create video, and then you can just enter a script over here or enter a voiceover, and then you can just enter a script over here or enter a voiceover, and then this person will essentially just say whatever you give it here, and it's perfectly going to say it with all the expressions and lips and everything. Basically, we enter a script here, and it just replicates my voice and my face. It's not that good yet, so this is not AI generated, but it's completely fine for short form content, especially if you use the already pre-made AI avatars, because they tend to be better trained. I personally prefer to upload my own voiceovers from 11 Labs, because 11 Labs has way more realistic voice than HeyGen does, at least as right now. So what I would do is, for the step number 2 is to generate a voiceover in the HeyGen, and in HeyGen you can even replicate your own voice. So you can basically train the AI. You can upload like 2 hours footage of your own voice, and it's going to learn exactly how you actually speak, so that when you type in text here, you paste the script, it's going to read the script as if it was you. It's going to read it in your own voice, in your own tone, and in your own style, which is pretty crazy. But you can also just go with some of the pre-made voices here. So you can basically just select whichever you want. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to go with Harry over here. He's good for videos. Essentially, we can just paste the script here, and let's say I want to give like top 10 facts you didn't know about India, and let's say that's going to be my real voice. Well, now I can just generate this with one press of a button, and the AI bot will actually read the script for me. So now I can download that, and I can go here and I can upload a voiceover. So I basically just click here, just drag and drop, and once I do that, it's going to perfectly sync this voiceover with a presenter. So I will have a presenter saying these things, so I can just click submit. It's going to cost me 0.5 credits, and I bought like 29 credits, and for I believe around $29. And now while the AI avatar is being generated, what we will do is we'll go over to CapCut, which is this video editing tool where you can add automatic captions with one press of a button. So you can just click on a new video over here. You can upload that footage, select the TikTok style. I'm going to paste the video that we just downloaded with HeyGen here. To add auto captions, you basically just go to captions on the left side, and then you can just click on auto captions, select the English language. In this case for you that might be different, and now the AI tool will just add these captions throughout the entire video. But what I don't like is that these automatic captions are usually just a random number of words in the screen. So I personally prefer to go to the animation section, then just select this animation, because then and there show up like one word by word in the screen. And then I also like to change the font. Perhaps I'm going to use some other one. Let's say we can use this one, and we can also make all the words and all the letters uppercase, and I'm also going to increase the size of this font to about 10. So now this is going to look a lot better. So we have automatic captions showing up on the screen just like this, and you can also fully just edit the entire video inside of CapCut. You can add different elements, you can add b-roll, stock photos, videos, animations, transition effects. You can add some like very cool effects with pretty much just one press of a button. It's just going to make it look a lot more engaging. And once you're done fully editing your reel, you basically just click on export. You click download and you can download this to your computer and you can upload it to your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts account and in your bio. If you're using Instagram and TikTok, you can promote different things. Now that link in bio can be either an affiliate link, can be a referral link, can be your own digital product, can be an email list or anything. So affiliate marketing would be the best option to go with. But you can also choose different CPA offers. So for example, there's this platform like CPA Grip where you can basically go to the offer tools on the left side, click on my offers, then select the US over here, and then it's going to show you a bunch of different offers to promote which pay you like $2 to $3 per email collected. And that way you don't even have to actually sell anything when people just submit their email address or complete a certain offer without spending any money. You will still be paid $1 or $2 per usually just email collected, and you can just grab your referral link. This is going to be my referral link. Copy that, maybe shorten it in tinyurl or bit.ly and just put the link in your bio. And you can do the same thing with TikTok, and because of the TikTok creativity program, if your reels are over a minute long, you can also earn extra money from that. You can earn ad revenue from those reels and of course promote something in your bio. And there is actually quite a lot of people that are making hundreds of dollars from the TikTok creativity program. So there's definitely quite a few different ways that you can actually go and make money with these AI clips and reels and then promote your link in your bio. And not only grow your account pretty fast, but also make money without actually having to show your face or create any products yourself. If you got some value out of this video, or if you've learned something, make sure to drop a like down below and I'll see you in some of the next one.